It's Bonnie. Happy Thursday! I got another Avon Christmas video for you guys today. I am so excited. I am literally ordering everything for Avon Christmas. I'm going to do a video about all the products, so definitely hit the subscribe button. I cannot get enough of my twirly light up ball. Everything I've seen so far is so exciting. For those of you just joining me, I am an online Avon rep. All of my information is below. The link to order online, you get free shipping with 60 plus order. And of course, if you want to sign up, it's free. So lots going on at Avon. So today, for those of you who've been watching me for a really long time, let me know in the comments how many people love the PropoliThera shampoo, conditioner, hair care line. Oh my gosh, you guys. I've been using this now for like a year and a half. I talk about it all the time. It is like my all-time favorite shampoo. I've used shampoo, Paul Mitchell, Biolage, Redken, drugstore brands. I don't know why. This just works with my hair so well. Like I said, it's called the Elastine PropoliThera. It is Korean beauty, and it has honey, royal jelly, and propolis in it. It has a wonderful floral scent. And you know me, I'm not really a floral girl all the time, but I love the smell of this shampoo and conditioner. This is what it looks like if you buy the large bottles. However, for Christmas, they have a gift set. Oh my gosh, look at how cute this is. This would look really pretty under the tree. You don't even have to wrap it. You could just put a ribbon around this thing. These will be $12.99. It is a 6-piece kit, and you're going to get sample sizes. Actually, they're bigger than sample. They're pretty large, of the shampoo conditioner, and then you're going to get 4 packets of the hair oil serum, which I use all the time. It comes in a pump like this. So if you're wanting to try this out, or if you have a friend or family member who's been wanting to try this out, now is the time to gift it. Avon is like dressing everything up for Christmas. Check it out. Skin So Soft is getting a Christmas packaging. All of the new products are getting Christmas dress up. I love that. You know me, I'm a holiday girl, you guys. I love the holidays. And I love it when the packaging has a Christmas decor. I actually just keep it. I love it. You could keep this box on your desk. You could put some bobby pins or little, I don't know, pens in it or something. I just love the box. It's so pretty. So anyway, this will be coming campaign 23, October 12th. Keep writing that date down. October 12th is when this catalog launches. And if you sign up to be a rep, you have access to all of this stuff early. You know me, like I said, I've been using this hair care system forever. I love it. One of my favorite products is the Aloe Dual Active Hair Serum. This actually does not have as much of a floral scent. It has more of an aloe scent, but you get the dual aloe and like an oil treatment. And then I also use, on a daily basis, you guys, the volume spray. I love this. I just spray a little bit on before I do a video. And then my hair, check it out. Look at that. It gets all nice and shiny and voluminous. I love this stuff. One of my favorite products. So if you're interested in the Elastine PropoliThera hair care products, I'll put the link below if you want to try this now, because all of this stuff is available now to order. But if you want to get the gift, this will be available on October 12th. A lot of people ask me what I do to curl my hair. This is what I use. I bought this at Avon. It is the Chi Lava. Oh my gosh. So you plug it in, and then there's these buttons on the side. I actually did a demo of this. You get a little piece of hair, you put it like this. The hair sucks up. I wonder if I can do this right here. I actually have a plug next to my desk. I'm going to just plug this in really quick, you guys. And I'm going to show you really quickly how I curl my hair. This takes like 3 seconds to heat up. It's already at 71 degrees. It goes up to 360 degrees. And I feel like this is very easy on my hair. I don't get a lot of like breakage from this, which I like. So basically all you're going to do with this is this side towards your head. So you just put this towards your head. you suck up your hair just like this, and then it's gonna beep. That wasn't the beep. That was actually my email going off, you guys. I've got problems on my computer here. It'll beep in a second, though. There we go. There's the beep. And then look at this curl. Isn't that gorgeous? I don't know. I'm just in love with this thing. It always does a really good job. The key is to not put too much hair in it. You kind of have to grab like a piece like this. And then, like I said, I mean, I'm doing this on camera. And see how the hair sucks up into there? And sometimes I don't even wait for the beep. Look at that. I didn't even wait for the beep. And look at that beautiful curl I got. So these are available at AVON. And like I said, one of my favorite, there goes the beep. One of my favorite hair care tools like that I've ever bought. And then my hair looks all curly. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. If you have any of the PropoliThera, let me know in the comments what you love, what your favorite product is. And then don't forget, on October 12th, the gift set is coming. I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.